Hi friends, hi everybody's watching this video right now. My name is Tim Wider, and in this video I want to show you the best way how to get paid fast. I want to show you the best way how to make money online. So if you're interested in this kind of the ways, so watch this video to the end and you will get really useful information which can help you to make money every single day.
You ready? Hey! Let's go!
Okay friends, every single day I received a lot of the messages on my WhatsApp, and also many people call me about how to make money online, asking me the questions. And most of the time when I try to explain to people about the online business, they do not understand the simple things which they should understand to make the money online. Because if you couldn't understand this, so you couldn't make the money. So right now I will try to explain you guys all of these things, and I hope that in the end of this video you will have imagination about how to make money fast and what is the best way how to make money online. So guys, the best way how to make money online is the sales, and right now I will try to explain you why it's like this. Because everything in this world is about the sales. Some of the people told me in the WhatsApp, and also called me and told me, Tim, I want to make money fast. I want to make money fast right now because I don't have enough money for the life. I want to buy the car, but I don't have the money. I want to make money fast because life is running every single day. I said, of course, no problem. You must understand that here in this world everything is about the sales, and if you want to make money fast, so you must to learn how to make the sales. He told me, Tim, before I never was in the sales and I don't know how to sell. I said, okay, so what you was doing before? He told me, I was just working on the job. I said, okay, so you was in the sales. He told me how I was in the sales if I never was there. I said, okay bro, you was going to the work, right? So what is mean? He said, what is mean? It's mean that you sell yourself, you sell your time to other person. You are that tool which helped that guy who hired you to grow his business every single day, because you are working on his company, you are working on that guy who making the money on you. So you sell your time, you sell your education, you sell your knowledge for the other person, and he just use you to grow his business. So you already was in the sales. He said, oh yeah, maybe it was like this. I said, no, it's not maybe. Yeah, it's like this. When you go into the job, when you're applying for the job, so you sell yourself. You sell your time to other person, you sell your time to the company, and the company will just pay you the salary every month or every 2 months, I don't know, basically every month, like some companies paying every 2 weeks or something like that. But that doesn't matter. When you go into the company, when you go into apply to the job, so you sell your time, you sell your knowledge, you sell your skills. In the business everything is different, because some of the people, they do not understand the difference between the job and between the business. When you go into apply for the job, so it's not mean that you should invest your money, right? Because you just came here to sell your time for the money. When you go into the business, you must to invest many things, and it's not just the money. It's your passion, it's your time, it's your dedication, it's your hard work every single day, and every 3 minutes you're thinking about your progress, about what you will do tomorrow, about what you will do in this time, in this minute, how to grow every single day. Because that kind of the people who make in the business, they take responsibility on themselves, and they didn't place it on the other people, like on the company, on some guy, on the government, or maybe on somebody else, just on themselves. So they are their own boss, and it's really amazing when you can use your time like you want. You can work today, tomorrow you can get rest. Maybe right now in this time, in this hour, you make a decision to go to drink coffee or something like that, and you and only you can choose what you will do today or tomorrow, and this is really incredible. So guys, right now I want to explain you how you could make money fast with the online business, because this is the solution for the many people. Some of the people, they dreaming about the business, but basically they don't have enough of the money. Just imagine, for example, if you want to open the shop, like the shop maybe to sell some food or some maybe clothes, maybe some goods, how much money you must invest? If you don't have the place, for example, you must to buy the place or you must to rent the place. Yeah, it's a lot of the money, maybe 10,000, maybe 20,000, 50,000 of the US dollar, I don't know. After that, you must pay for the people who will work with you. You must pay for the goods, you must pay for the products, for the bills, for the many things. And for sure, for some kind of the people, this is impossible, because if they was working on the job all their life, and after that they make a decision about the business, they just see they don't have enough of the money, and it just will be like a dream. But right now in the 2018, we have the opportunity to make the business in the network marketing online. So it's really incredible. Here, you need to invest just the $53. For example, in the Be Epic company, guys, you need to invest just the $53, and this is the money for the product, for the shipping, and for the sign-up fee one time. And really, you can start the business from this money with the full support, because here in the network marketing you have the full support 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. You can call every time, for example, to me if you will work with me, and I will explain you everything what to do. If you're working with the other guy, so you can call your sponsor and ask him, look bro, you know, I have the problems right now, what I must to do, just help me, let's do something together. Because here is the team working, team building. In the offline business, if you will have the shop, some of the people, you know, they take in the credits, they do many stupid things, they get in the all of that stuff, start to make in the business, and after that they going crazy because they don't know what to do. There's a lot of the risks, and for, like I said, for some people, the offline business at the beginning is impossible. But here in the online, you can do it just with the small amount of the money. You can really start to make global business, and after that, when you will get the knowledge about how to make the business, because the business, it's also about the habits. If you before have the bad habits, you watching TV, you was drinking something, you was going to the bad things or something like that, and you don't want to get changes, so you will be on the same place, you will be on the same position and on the same job. If you want to make more money, so you must to change your habits. You must to change your habits, bad habits to the good habits. But you couldn't change it. You can just replace it. You can replace bad habit to good habit, like this. And this will be amazing. So you will see how your life will gonna to change. So guys, what I want to say, if you want to start to make real cool money, if you want to start to make real cool business, so the network marketing is the best option for you, because here you can start from the small amount of the money, and you will receive all the support 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. You will receive all the knowledge which you need to grow from the bottom to the top. And this is the best option for the people who don't have any money to start. And you know what is really excited? I saw some interview from the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, and there is some guy, he asked him the question, please Donald, tell us, if in the one time you will lost all of your money and you don't have anything, from what you can start, how you will return all of that? Do you know what he answered? He answered, I will find the best network marketing company and I will find the success. So maybe guys, if this man, he told like this, so it means something. Guys, I hope that I explained to all of your questions how to make money fast. The fastest way how to make money online is the sales in the network marketing. If you want to learn how to do that, all the contacts in the description. There will be the link to our group in the Facebook. Also there will be the WhatsApp chat. You can start the business right now, guys, and grow every single day, and this is really amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put the like. If you do not understand something, ask the question. Don't hesitate to ask the question, because connection and communication, it's important. So guys, like I said, don't forget to be awesome. Don't forget to be the person what you want to be. I will see you really soon in the next video. Online provide for you only useful information which can help you to grow right now.
When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays people wanna see you dead because you gifted. Been ready for my tomb since I came up out the womb. So no matter what, I'm coming back and paying you a visit. Saw it coming, I predicted, but y'all wouldn't listen. No, you can't protect your riches if you never burn bridges. Flip pages, went places, made changes, still dangerous. Now I'm back, altercation, hold still. I make it painless how it feel, baby. When you say you love me, is it real, baby? Full speed, both hands on the wheel, baby. Young Taz coming from the Mobile, baby. You know the drill, baby. Yeah. And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come.